Hello! Today we're going to show you the new way we pack our mugs. It's actually way less complicated and we upgraded it after some broken mugs we had. So this is safer, easier and lazier. You need again some bubble wrap. One of our biggest upgrades are these tape tools, and they're so useful. We're more comfortable than, you know, doing this all the time. So yeah, I think this is all you need. Oh, this paper, which is cheap but very nice looking. So you start with a small piece. This is the same as our last video. You start with a small piece of bubble. Now you can see the whole thing is covered, but I always put a little bit more here on the corners. Okay, this is it, I think. Now you put the mug horizontally. And now you put it vertical. And a good thing to do is always feel if there is a place that you feel is still unprotected, because this might happen. And if there is a place, you take a little bit more bubble, you cover it, and you're good. This one I think is safe. I'll wrap it one more time with stretch all over. And now you take a big envelope and that's it.